Okay. This is my first. Welcome to Monty's Madness. This is my first attempt at removing a surface mount chip. This is the chip here. It's a RAM chip. This monitor doesn't work. I don't know what's wrong with it. I checked all the caps. Actually, I replaced all the caps. However, when I turn it on and I let it run, this memory stays cool and this one gets red hot to the touch. So I have a replacement chip. I'm going to try it. I'm not going to use a heating gun. I'm going to try removing it with this slow desoldering alloy. It's not like regular solder. It stays hot for a little bit and allows you to move the chip around. I'm going to give it a shot. I have no idea what's going to happen. First thing you have to do is apply flux. Alright. My tweezer's ready. Let's see what happens. And there you have it. Alright. So that chip is off. So just in case you guys are wondering, that's where I got it from. Two 24/7 solder. Looks like it says hopefully it comes out. www.247solder.com. I'm just going to remove this big solder blob. And I need to clean up the pins. So I'm just going over those pins with this desoldering braid, just to get any remaining alloy off, because that stuff will not work as a solder. It's designed to stay for a while, and then it dries really brittle. You can actually snap a piece of it. Regular solder bends, this stuff just snaps. Alright. Now I'm going to get all this flux off the board. Okay, now I've never soldered surface mount. I watched a couple videos. They make it look very easy. But here's my new chip. Sorry about that. I'm gonna be we'll put flux on there. And I'm just getting my soldering iron ready. I believe the method is to tack down one of the corners. And the chip moves. I think you're supposed to just heat the pins up and drag the soldering iron across there, but I have no idea. I know what you don't want is a little soldering blob, and I think I have that on this end chip. I'm gonna have these end pins. I'm gonna see if I can get this out of there. Definitely don't want any solder blobs. Excuse me for a sec, I have to look at this. I'm gonna take this off camera for a second. Alright, I'm gonna clean this up. I think need to look at that again. I have one I have one solder blob. I think I got it. I'm gonna check again. Okay, now I just got to clean this up really good. Resin is really sticky. I mean, that flux is really sticky. Want to make sure you get all that flux off. It's sticky, and then it can be conducive. Overall, not so bad for my first time. All the pins look like they're touching. I don't see any solder blobs or 2 pins shorted or anything. So I will turn it over. Time for the smoke test.
Oh, well, we got a picture now. It's a little fuzzy, but I had nothing before, so I guess that's just can't read. Progress, see. Turn this back over.
Well, I just don't know enough about these I can tell you now that this is nice and cool. Before it was burning up, so that definitely helped. He got me a picture, but now it's all fuzzy, so I don't know what that means. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If I figure it out, I'll update the video. Or if anyone knows anything more about this than I do, add a comment below. Thanks for watching. And if you got something to tinker with, you might as well start now.